In this video, I'll show how to buy shares of Summa Defence Oyj, a Finnish defense technology company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker Summa.HE. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Summa.HE to locate Summa Defence Oyj. Confirm you select the listing that matches the CBOE EU exchange. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm details about Summa Defence Oyj. Make sure the displayed exchange and ticker match Summa.HE before proceeding. Click Investor Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or delayed, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.